Okay, first of all, we're going to begin down here, right? And what we have is Phobos and Deimos. Let's say you put a foot here and a foot here, right? You have your tool. Tool equals to 62. The reverse of that is 51, right? The reverse of 62 in the cube is 51. But a four-letter word, right? A four-letter word, it's 4 by 27, equaling to 108, less 62 equals to 46. 46 is 2 times 23, in which, if we take a look at this, right, Elon, right, which reversed is Noel, which means Christmas, 77 and 33, creation of the gateway. That's probably why he's creating the AI, bringing both worlds together. Now, different combinations of letter, EL is 17, ON is 29, right? And then we get over here, Musk is 34 and 30, or 32 and 32. Look at that. Again, number 32, 32 is that 23. The breakaway point is at number 24 and 40. Okay, that's Elon Musk. Here's your Trinity right over here, which would be like the club. You remember I showed you on the other image like this? Here's your prime numbers, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24. There's 25 prime numbers, right? That means there's 74 and 25. 74 representing Christ, Jesus representing Messiah, representing Muhammad, representing the cross. It'll be reduced to 39, right? And that'll be angel. So when you go back to the next one, the same numbers, okay, in rotations of 7 instead of rotations of 3, and not skipping any areas, right? Here is the rotation of 3, okay? They're going to total 99 to get over here. This will tell you what position they are. How do they attain this position? Well, 3 is in the 3rd position, 5 is in the 5th position, 7 is in the, although it's in the 1st position here, right? This is the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 13 is in the 10th position. The 13th prime, okay, is in this position over here. Why? Because 1 and 3 is 4, 1 and 9 is 10, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 and 3 is 4. This row will take up 1, 4, 7. This row will take up 2, 5, 8. This is your ABC creation, and this is the only one in 3, 6, 9. Now I'm going to duplicate this to create art. Over here it's the ABCD 10. Here it's the ABCDE. So when you add this up, this would be 6. When you add this up, this would be 10. When you add this up, this will be 15, right? 6, 1, and 1 and 5 is 6. When you go to add up through 6, it'll be 21. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go down here. We have A, B, C, D. This is your base creation. When you duplicate your creation, right, all the way to the end, it comes over here. The difference between A through I, 45, is either you take away the I and you play A through H, or you take away the A, you play B through I. That would make your 4436. The Hanukkah candles would come up over here. Here's your cycle of the moon, and it reaches the center of the cube. Here's your base house creation. Baseball is over here. Again, cycle of the moon and the cube. This is what the base looks like. I'm not sure if you can understand. I'm still having a hard time explaining it. And like we did this formation over here, I'm going to show you this, what happens, right? We went up to number 7 areas for 7 days of the week. Here's where the primes fit in. Here's your 1, 2, 3. Here's your 5th prime in this position, right? It's in the 9th position. Your 13th prime is in the 11th position. And this is 14, 15, your 16th prime, right? Yeah, sorry, your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your 7th prime is in the 16th position. 17, 18. The 18th position is not a prime, right? And I'm assuming that what happens, right, is between the 2 primes is a non-prime. It means it duplicates itself. It means there's more than one action happening between each one of these areas. What artwork, I'm going to figure out what the artwork is going to be. We can see how these are open up. Remember the first 2 positions, right, is like this, 1 in between 2. Always like this, but in this 7th gate, it's always this one that penetrates the 2 sides. It's these three numbers versus these three numbers. This is the area we play, right? But it's actually 5 and 6, 11, right, to 2 and 3, 5. And here's your separating gate: 1 and 3, 4, 3 and 1, 4, 6 and 7, 13, 1 and 3, 4. I'm not sure. Oh, yes, this is the 107th position only on this board. That's what I marked it, because on this scale over here, position 9 is here, position 18 is here, right? Forget about this row over here for now. Position 27 is here. And when you run by sevens, you're always going to go down a line and over 2, down a line and over 2, almost like the rook, right? I hope you can understand that. And we go to the programmation where they call it reboot, right? When you're rebooting a computer, re equals to 23, boot equals to 30, 50, 52. And so now you're rebooting Earth's matrix. See, 5 and 7, that will be a moon number, right? Although we have a total of 85, it's 5 and 7. RE is an add-on to this. Bob is your guardian. Bob equals to 19, bringing two systems together. It's in the supercomputer, right? He is here to end, mend, and defend the Federation, right, of M, right? And this M also represents the Federation. Inside the M to create it is 4, 5, and 6, and over here you show it in 3 letters. Over here you show it in 1 artwork design. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video.